Becky and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited that it's February because I love February because it's 1 month closer to spring and for winter being over. I can't stand winter, but I love February because Valentine's Day is in February. And I feel like Valentine's Day is just a little bright spot in the middle of a disgusting, gross winter, which I hate winter. So I really love Valentine's Day. I love all the colors and the red and pink and purple. And I don't know, I just love Valentine's Day. So in honor of Valentine's Day being this month, I have two videos, one being today's video, all about love, but in regard to your home. So if you missed Monday's video, I did a how to love cleaning video, which some of us are like, how to love cleaning? I hate cleaning, you know. But I think I shared some tips in that video that will really help you learn to love cleaning if you don't already. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 ways to love your home and enjoy your home even more than you already do. And the first one is to be thankful for the home that you have. We can get caught up sometimes in wanting a bigger house or a bigger yard or a different neighborhood or something like that and really not focus on the fact that if you have a home that is safe and healthy and in a decent neighborhood, and you're not afraid to go home at night, and your kids are in a safe neighborhood, if you have those basic things, then we really should be perfectly happy to be where we are. I find myself sometimes thinking, oh, I just want to move, I want to get away from this neighbor, or I want a bigger house, or we need more closet space, and all of those things may be legitimately true. It doesn't mean that you can't ever want to move, but I also try really hard to focus on the fact that I do love the house that we're in now. We've lived here quite a while. It's the only house my youngest daughter has ever known. We're able to afford our mortgage payment. It's safe and comfortable, and it's definitely size-wise, it's good, it's enough. But maybe we don't have all the storage that we need, but I think part of that is because we have more stuff than we really need. So at the end of the day, I try to be really thankful and aware of the fact that we do have a nice house. We do live in a safe neighborhood. My kids are happy here. We have more than we need to take care of us and have a roof over our heads. And it's warm in the winter and it's cool in the summer and it's comfortable. And like I said, we can afford the mortgage payment, which when the economy was bad, that wasn't always even something that we were able to do. It was a struggle there for a while because my husband is in sales, like commission only, and he was when the economy went bad too. And I wasn't working, and at the time I wasn't even making any money off of YouTube, so like I had no income. So when the economy was bad, there were months where it was a struggle to pay our mortgage payment. So now when I catch myself thinking, I just want to get out of here, I want to move, I need more closets or whatever, I try to think really fundamentally and think, I'm thankful for the house we have. Even if this is the only house we ever live in, it's enough for us and we're happy here. So I think that's the first part of loving your home, is not thinking about what you don't have, but being aware and appreciative of what you do have. The second thing is to get rid of or change what you don't like. You want to make your house a representation of you, and you want to fill it with things that make you happy and that make your life easier and better. And we get used to seeing the same wall colors, sometimes the same decor. Some people have the same stuff up they've had since they first got married, which if that's what you like, that's fine. But sometimes that gets a little stale and we get kind of bored coming into our own houses. So that's the time to change things up. Repaint a room, get a new piece of furniture, take down your wall decor and put up all new wall decor with something that you love, that's fresh and makes you happy to see it every time you look at it. Those types of things. Make sure you're putting things up that you really love and appreciate and that you notice, so that when you come home at the end of the day, or that you're home all day if you're a stay-at-home mom, you're surrounded by things that you love and that bring you happiness every time you look at them. And make sure you're getting rid of stuff that you don't want. If you can't repurpose it or spray paint it and give it new life or something, sell it. Sell it on Facebook Marketplace. Give it to a friend or put it in the yard sale. Or what I like to do is keep it back in the back of our living room closet. I keep all old decor that I don't want to use at that time. And the next time I want to redecorate something, I go look and see, what do I already have? What do I have that was from this room, 3 years ago? What do I have that I can spray paint and give new life and put it in a different spot? Those are all nice ways to give your room and your house a fresh look by rearranging and redecorating and repurposing with things that you already have. So kind of keep things, ebbing and flowing. You're getting rid of things you don't like. you're putting new things up, you're packing things away that maybe you want to use later in a different room, or you're repainting them and giving them new life and putting them somewhere else in your house. So kind of always be thinking of ways that you can make the space that you live in as pleasant and enjoyable as possible. My third tip for loving your home more is don't just use the good stuff when company comes over. Don't save your best plates for when you have company over once a year and you only get to use them once a year. Why not use them every single day? Why not make every dinner every night of the week, even if it's just boxed spaghetti? Why not make it more fun and enjoyable by eating off your best plates or using your prettiest cups or something like that that really makes it more special every single day of the week, even if nothing exciting is going on and it's just you? Why not you? Why do you not deserve to use the best stuff, you know? So don't just say the good stuff for when other people come over. Keep it out and use it so that you and your family can enjoy it too. Another way to love and enjoy your home more is to put little luxuries all throughout your house. So we all have different ideas of things that are luxurious. Maybe you like to take baths, so you have bath salts that you use and you kind of turned your bathtub into a spa area. Maybe you like to burn a certain candle that makes you feel really relaxed and cozy. Maybe you want to put heated blankets out, or you want fuzzy, cozy sheets to get into every night. Whatever your little luxuries are, do those things for yourself and do those things for your family. Figure out what makes you feel spoiled and luxurious and happy, and do that. Put those things all throughout your house so you get to enjoy those little things every single day. I know that sounds dumb, but it really is true. You know, my mom and dad got us some really cozy sheets for Christmas. So I love coming to bed and getting in my cozy sheets. I love covering up with my heated blanket at night and laying in bed and reading my devotional before I go to sleep. You know, all these things are small things that I really enjoy that make me happier. And so I encourage you to do that with your own life. Put things out in your home that you love using and looking at and that make you feel more relaxed so that you enjoy your home more. You enjoy being home, and there's little bitty things, there's little pieces of happiness kind of all over your house that you really will enjoy and love. My last tip for loving your home more is to take pride in your house. Even if you don't like your house, if you hate your house and you want to get out of there so bad, or even if you don't live in the neighborhood that you want to, you can still make the house you have as nice as possible. And even if you can't afford to redecorate, you can at least keep what you do have clean and organized and comfortable for everybody. And of course, there's always going to be cleaning to be done. There's always going to be projects that you're working on, or everybody has that one room that's a mess. You know, there's always that stuff kind of in the back of your mind. And I'm really working on this too, and I fail a lot. But I know that what I should really focus on is what is done versus what isn't done, because you can't get everything done in a day. You can't have every project finished all at once unless you're rich and can pay somebody to do it all for you. But for the most part, most of us can't do that, and we don't have maids necessarily that clean our house and keep it spotless. So I try really hard, and it's a struggle, but I try really hard to focus on what is done versus what isn't done. So like for me, I really try to get at least the downstairs clean every Saturday, so that over the weekend and Saturday night when we watch a movie, I can relax and I'm not looking around and seeing clutter all over the place. Yes, I still have stuff to do and projects that I'm working on, but I'm really trying to focus on making the house that I have and making what I have as clean and organized as I can. And it's a struggle, it's a balance, it's a juggling act, and I struggle with it every single day, but I know that I'm going to be happier where I am, no matter where that is, if it is something I'm proud of and something that is comfortable. And that's really what I try to work on every day. Taking care of my house, trying to do the best I can to keep it clean and neat and organized, but realize that it's not perfect, neither am I. But at the end of the day, it's our home, and I really have done what I can to take care of it and make it a happy place for everybody. Those are my 5 tips on how to love and enjoy your home more. I hope it was really helpful and you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, what do you do to make your home more enjoyable, more organized, cleaner? You know, I'd love to know your tips. I want you guys to share your knowledge with me, and then everybody else that reads the comments can kind of get some more tips and tricks too. So where are you at in your stage of life? Do you like the house that you have? Do you wish you could move? And then what do you do to keep to make your house that you're in as pleasant as possible. I'd like to know any tips and tricks that you want to share. So make sure you leave those in the comments for me and for everybody else to read. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the videos that I do every single week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.